Welcome everyone to the third and the last episode of our Kashmir journey. We are off to Gulmarg to enjoy the landscape and its scenic beauty. At the same time, we will be trying out various adventurous activities available. As it is a peak season, we could not get any rooms as the hotels were all sold out in Gulmarg. So we are traveling from Srinagar to Gulmarg, which will take us around 2 hours. We just have one day for Gulmarg, so we will try to do everything possible in a limited time. We have reached Gulmarg and we can see the mighty Aparvat mountain dazzling white in the sun. On our way to the Gondola ride, we saw numerous visitors who have come from various places to enjoy Winterfest, which is held every year in Gulmarg since 2003. After standing in a queue for almost an hour, finally we are boarding the gondola. This gondola ride will take us to phase 1, where there are numerous snow activities to enjoy. We all are really excited and looking forward to have an amazing time. The short ride of hardly 9 minutes is enough to leave you mesmerized. The scenic views of mountains and valley during the cable car ride is unmatched and unforgettable. We have reached phase 1. This quaint little place serves as a perfect recluse to both the adventurous and the peaceful. It is filled with excellent views of the glorious Himalayas, and the pleasing beauty is a must-watch. We are now about to try skiing. We are all very excited and nervous at the same time, as it is the first time for all of us. After training for around 30 minutes, we were confident enough to take up the challenge to see who will be the last one standing. And this is how it went.
I will see who will stop in a way. Good. This was the luck. Okay. No problem.
With lots of thrill, loss of control, and n number of falls, we are done skiing. The experience was wonderful, as it was a combination of excitement and a sense of freedom, all wrapped up in one. The energy we had put in skiing left us tired and hungry, so we are now taking a short break to eat our lunch before we try another activity. The ticket of Gondola Phase 1 serves as a two-way pass, as one can return with the same ticket. However, we thought of trying out another adventurous snow activity, which is sledging. The insane ride of approx 4 kilometers downhill in the snow left us thrilled. And if you are an adventure junkie, you should definitely give it a try. Before we left Gulmarg, we came across few shepherd huts where we spent some time admiring its rustic looks and enjoying its calm and peaceful surrounding. Now we are heading towards Drung Waterfall, which is partially frozen, and it's going to take around 35 minutes to reach from Gulmarg. The experience of this majestic frozen waterfall is surreal, as we had never witnessed anything like this before. This trip of Kashmir has been so amazing. It has been a perfect winter wonderland getaway, and yes, we are definitely coming back again. Thank you so much everyone for watching our vlog. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Till then, take care.